This is an updated bike check. Okay, I'll start with the new parts first. I got perfect 10 S&M bars now. Yeah, and I got a new front tire, Tom White wall or whatever, not just black. And a new front rim, Primo Samurai Series. New spokes. The seat, it's an old demolition seat my brother used to have. It's railed with the fit seat post. I got new flush crank bolts or whatever, and Shadow little one peg in the front, and an Animal OG in the back, and that's it. And everything else is the same. Colt Faith grips, Colt Salvation, Slim, FSA headset, Colt forks, premium cranks, Shadow lighter sprocket, Shadow chain, ASM, just a regular one, 2.10, Raptor, and that's it. And the front tire is 20 by 220, and a premium death trap. And that's it. Later.